Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis for Autodesk Revit provides cloud-based structure analysis to structural engineers as a part of the BIM process. With Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis, engineers and designers can extend design models from Autodesk Revit to the cloud for structure analysis. Results can then be visualized and explored within Revit, and disruptions to a designer or engineer's workflow are minimized by performing analysis in the cloud as design continues. Revit supports the building information modeling process for structural engineers by providing a physical model to use for documentation and associated analytical model to use for structure analysis and design. The structural engineer or designer creates the structural model with sections, materials, loads and boundary conditions based on the intent established by the architectural model. He prepares an analytical model based on the physical model of the building structure. With Revit, the analytical model is automatically created, helping to ensure accuracy. Engineers and designers add some typical loads and supports to the model. Once the analytical model is ready, a series of necessary analysis can be performed on the model. Using Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis, a static analysis of the structure can be run from directly within Revit by using the power of the cloud. Structural engineers and designers must perform calculations such as static analysis as a necessary part of the design process for any building structural project. Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis makes structure analysis more accessible, allowing analysis to be performed from anywhere at any time via the cloud. Traditionally, conducting structure analysis is time-intensive, requiring extensive computing power. However, with Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis, a designer or engineer can continue their design in Revit while static analysis is performed in the cloud. As analysis is conducted, designers and engineers can work on the structural documentation or run parallel analysis, helping to increase productivity. When analysis is complete, a notification of completion is delivered within the Revit design environment. Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis allows a structural engineer's workflow to be streamlined from within the platform-independent analysis environment. Being able to perform analysis during the design process helps to streamline the structural engineer's workflow, allowing for analysis to be performed early and often. The results can be explored via a calculation node, offering quick insight into conclusions. Detailed results and visualizations can also be downloaded for viewing and further exploration. Interpretation of diagrams and maps of internal forces allow designers and engineers to make design decisions earlier in the process. Performing cloud-based analysis from within Revit with Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis helps to streamline the design process and provide analytical results early and often to informed intent. For more complex analysis, Robot Structure Analysis Professional complements Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis by providing structural engineers and designers with the ability to conduct a wide range of analysis. In a typical workflow, once analysis results are obtained, the structural engineer or designer may consult with the architect, and necessary design iterations are made to the building. The architect will iterate the architectural model based on the design and analytical information from the structural engineer or designer. Once the design changes are made, the structural engineer or designer will then analyze the updated physical model. Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis complements the Autodesk Structural Engineering portfolio by integrating analysis into the BIM process. Powered by the analysis engine from Autodesk Robot Structure Analysis Professional, Autodesk 360 Structure Analysis offers cloud-based analysis that helps to streamline the structural engineering workflow by allowing design decisions to be made earlier in the process, saving time and costs.